The question is define echo, state and explain the conditions required to hear a distinct echo. So, what is echo? Echo is a reflection of a sound that arrives at the listener after bouncing off a surface. We know that sound shows the laws of reflection property. Sound shows the bouncing off property. Sound shows reflection. So, due to reflection, it arrives back to the listener due to the bouncing off, and that is called the echo, such as wall or a mountain, that called a reflective obstacle from the surface of which the sound reflects back and returning to the listener's ear. So, what are the conditions to hear a distinct echo? The distance, the reflecting surface must be at least 17 meters away from the source of the sound. So, this should be the minimum distance between the source of the sound and the listener. That should be 17 meters, and it can be more than 17, but it should not be less than 17. This is because sound needs time to travel to the surface and back, because sound needs some time to travel to the surface and get back, and the total travel time must be at least zero point 0.1 seconds for the echo to be distinguishable from the original sound. So this should be the time so that in which it travel from the surface and get back to the listener. Next is water surface. The reflecting surface must be hard and smooth to be effectively bounce back the sound waves. So softer, uneven surfaces absorb the sound rather than reflecting it. So we prefer hard surfaces. Next is quiet environment. The surrounding environment should be relatively quiet so that the reflected sound can be heard clearly without interference from other sounds. What is interference? Mixing with other sounds. So that should not be done. Otherwise, we cannot able to hear the sound of echo clearly.